in the dawn of 2024. As I embark on my journey into the realm of fitness and wellness, I find myself drawn to the transformative power of the ketogenic diet. This year, my decision to embrace the keto lifestyle is not merely a resolution, but a commitment to prioritize my well-being, foster a sustainable, healthier relationship with food. First and foremost, my choice to delve into the world of keto is rooted into the compelling scientific evidence supporting its efficacy. Over the years, numerous studies have highlighted the benefits of a low carbohydrate, high fat diet in terms of weight loss, improved metabolic health, and enhanced cognitive function. As I delve into 2024, I am motivated by the prospect of tapping into my body's ability to enter a state of ketosis, where it becomes a fat burning machine, shedding excess weight and promoting a leaner physique. Beyond the tangible benefits, I am drawn to the sustained energy levels that keto enthusiasts often report. By fueling my body with healthy fats and minimizing my reliance on carbohydrates, I aim to achieve a more stable and consistent energy supply throughout the day. Bid farewell to the highs and lows of sugar crashes and welcome the sustained vitality that comes with a well-formulated ketogenic diet. Moreover, my decision to embrace keto in 2024 is deeply intertwined with my desire to cultivate mental clarity and focus. The brain, hungry for a consistent energy source, thrives on ketones produced during ketosis. By adopting a ketogenic lifestyle, I aim to unlock the cognitive benefits that many followers of the diet attribute to increased mental sharpness, improved concentration, and enhanced overall brain function. In a world saturated with processed foods and sugar-laden temptations, keto represents a departure from the norm, a conscious choice to prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods. By embracing a diet rich in avocados, nuts, leafy greens, and high-quality proteins, I am taking a stand against the empty calories that have long dominated the modern diet. Keto serves as my gateway to a more mindful and intentional approach to nutrition, allowing me to savor the real flavors of unprocessed, wholesome foods. 2024 is not merely a year of resolutions. It is a year of self-discovery and intentional living. The ketogenic diet aligns with my values of holistic well-being, promoting not just physical health, but also mental resilience and emotional balance. As I embark on this journey, I am excited about the potential for personal growth and opportunity to redefine my relationship with food, choosing nourishment that supports my body and empowers my mind. In conclusion, my commitment to the ketogenic lifestyle in 2024 is a holistic endeavor, enhance my mental acuity, and foster a mindful connection with the food I consume. It's a journey into self-discovery and an exploration of the transformative power of nutrition, and a conscious decision to prioritize a life of vitality, clarity, and well-being.